All right, taking you through what's happening in West Bengal, we're seeing bouts of violence that's reported in parts of West Bengal, where 7 Lok Sabha seats are going to polls. TMC supporters raising slogans against BJP candidate Lokit Chatterjee in Hooghly. Go back slogans against Lokit Chatterjee. Supporters of the TMC protesting in front of her, while police trying to push back the TMC supporters who are gathered right outside the polling station. Ritik Mandal, who's with us, bringing us more. Ritik, go on. You're right at the spot. Tell us what's the reason for Lokit Chatterjee to be chased away by TMC supporters.
Let me show you to you and to my viewers. Let me cut across to this visual, this dramatic visual. That one side you have, MLA of ruling Trinamool Congress Party, Asima Patra, and his man has carried Lokit Chatterjee, the BJP candidate. We can see that they are engaging in a war of words. Let's cut across to this live visual, and dramatically she has been heralded over here. It is at a stone throw distance from the polling booth. We can see that Lokit Chatterjee is being heralded by TMC men at a stone throw distance in Hooghly's Dhoniya Khali. They raise slogans against Lokit Chatterjee. They are threatening BJP MLA is threatening you. She is asking that they will continue this घेराव. What?
सबसे ज्यादा हुगली में अगर कोई संतराश करते हैं, उसके साथ रचना बनर्जी घूमते थे, और रचना बनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा उसका फ्रेंड को भी बोला कि सबसे ज्यादा खराब महिला है, उसका टैबलो से आप लास्ट देखेंगे वो नहीं था, उसको उतार दिया था। संतराश का मूल जो है वही असीमा पात्र है। कोई भी विधायक उनका टीएमसी का कोई भी लोग उसको पसंद नहीं करते हैं, उनका संतराश, ये सब चोर लोग हैं।
एमएलए खुद आया हुआ है, क्या पुलिस
नहीं जाबो ना
क्या पुलिस पहुंची है यहाँ पर?
बोला कि नहीं जाबो,
इलेक्शन
नहीं जाबो।
मैम, इलेक्शन आयोग को आपने बोला है पूरा घेर के रख दिया है आपको।
हेलो
See that, let me tell you that BJP candidate dialed election commission as amidst the situation he has been carried out. We can see his cavalcade has been stopped over here. A huge over here amidst the situation, in spite of the fact the police personnel have been deployed. We can see the TMC men and particularly locals, they are raising slogans. We can see, TMC MLA, he was around and he raised slogans, and that, erupted a huge war of words. TMC and BJP supporters amidst elections are underway. Remember, Hooghly is one of the prestigious seats where 2 actors turned politicians, one Lokit Chatterjee, and Rachana Banerjee are contesting each other, but seemingly going out of hand amidst
উনি তো সকাল থেকে গুন্ডাগিরি করছেন, ওর দলটা হচ্ছে গুন্ডাগিরির দল, তাই তিনি সকাল যেখানে শান্তপ্রিয় মানুষরা বাস করে সেখানে এসে গুন্ডাগিরি করছেন, মেয়েদের গায়ে হাত তুলেছেন পর্যন্ত।
We spoke to the TMC MLA Asima Patra. As she went on, she said that it is Bharatiya Janata Party candidate who is, indulging herself in a gundagiri, in a gunda raj amidst election is underway. She raises several allegations against BJP, and which is why we can say amidst the situation, it is middle of a village where TMC supporters have घेराव, BJP's, Lokit Chatterjee, and that is erupting a huge scuffle between supporters. Now we can see that Lokit Chatterjee is moving back. So this is what exactly is happening over here in Hooghly. Amidst elections are underway. Remember, since today, Bengal, as per the voter turnouts are concerned, in all 7 constituencies, it have been reported a very quite significant margin of voter turnout. But what you can see in Hooghly, since this morning, BJP were continuously raising several allegations against TMC, that there are several allegations of, instigating voters, were coming from, BJP. But now we can see that a very, very dramatic situation and deterioration of law and order is happening over when Chatterjee reached at a village in Hugli's Dhoniakhali area, and at a stone throw distance from a booth, and Locket Chatterjee has been carried out, and she is dialing time and again to the election body, to the poll body, seeking help. We can see that police are around her, but the number of people who have carried out Locket Chatterjee are huge in number, which is why that could be possibly one reason that situation is not turning to a peaceful area. But Locket Chatterjee they are raising counter slogans. And we can see that TMC MLA, she was also reached over here, and that led another episode of scuffle and words between BJP and TMC. In one hand, you have TMC supporters and the BJP supporters on the other. Both are alleging each other, targeting each other, and they are raising slogans, go back slogans to Locket Chatterjee. So a situation remains tense over here. These are the ground reality what we are getting. You know, Bengal it is used to with kind of violence, poll-related violence during poll day, and this is the 5th round of election when 7 constituencies of Bengal are underway polls, and amidst this situation, situation erupted in Hugli's Dhoniakhali, where 2 prime candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party and Trinamool Congress, Locket Chatterjee and Rachana Banerjee, are on the fray. Back to you.
All right, very interesting. Thanks very much. Well, clearly we're looking at even the 5th phase of elections in West Bengal comes with its fair share of violence. Locket Chatterjee, BJP candidate, who has been literally chased away from Hooghly by the TMC supporters.